Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the front leveling leg on your stove. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's broken and it won't adjust anymore. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and 2 pairs of channel locks. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove that we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Frigidaire. And keep in mind that ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. Alright, so to take our gas line off, I'm going to use 1 pair of channel locks, and I want to hold on to this part right here. And I'm going to use our other pair of channel locks in order to grab the line, and I'm going to twist both of them in opposite directions. That way we're not spinning endlessly while we're trying to loosen it. Now I've got that loose, I can undo it by hand the rest of the way. So our front leveling leg is going to be on the bottom of the stove on each side. We pull out this drawer. You can see they're each held in by Phillips head screws. So we're going to use our screwdriver to remove those. So I'm going to tip the stove up on its side a little bit. And I'm going to set this coffee can underneath here so that I can get to it a little bit easier. So this is going to be the assembly we're replacing here. So we're going to take the screws out. There we go. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement front leg. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. I'll line this up here as much as I can and screw this in. Perfect. Now we can close this drawer. Kick that can out of there, let it set down, hopefully a little gentler than that. Then you can reconnect the gas. So now we're going to reconnect our stove to the gas line. There we go. In case your adapter is spinning inside, you might want to get another pair of channel locks just to hold that in place. And then you can tighten it the rest of the way. There we go. And now we can turn our gas back on. And your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.